Here she is. 97 town car frame, wrapped and molded. About to go get squeezed in this tiny garage and get put together. Massive ears. Been sitting for, I don't know, 3-4 years. So I'm about to wash it up. Check it out. Clean it up so I can work on it. Get it to be a roller, and well, as soon as the control arms get here, but a couple hours after that, I'll be ready to go. Get super dirty. Gonna change the color though of this. Probably to candy red or maybe an off shade of candy apple red. Maybe keep some of this purple and just mix in some different color. I don't know. I like it though. Let's see how the wash goes. Back after a little car wash action. Just to get the grime off. See what I'm working with. You know, it's got some scratches being moved around. But we'll take care of that. Some chips here. Overall, this is really nice work though. Just some getting banged up, moved around. No big deal. They dropped this about an inch, inch and a half for the upper mounts. But man, this thing is beautiful. Might not be the color I want exactly, but ooh. So one thing the guy did mention that I bought this frame from, said the only thing that he didn't really like or that was wrong with it was that the guy forgot to drill the hole, or he said put the bolt in for the idler arm. Okay. So I get what he's talking about now. So the issue is whoever did this, but maybe, I mean, I don't know if that's factory or not. But it's a lug nut. Okay, whatever. Wouldn't be fine. if it didn't strip out. Okay, so also it's missing the lower. So yeah, either have to put this idler arm down. So what either has to happen here is I either thread the hole and put bolts in it, which I don't think I should do, or I just drill the holes on the other side of the frame so I can put actual bolts in there and tighten it down correctly. Or I suppose, since this frame needs to, I'm gonna have to paint it again anyways, I could probably tack bolts in there. Well, that doesn't even make any sense because I still can't get a lower bolt in there. You know, I don't know. Wheels are turning. I'm gonna figure something out. So I'll get back, see what we're gonna figure out. So yeah, this dude here just never drilled the hole for the idlers, and then the bolts in there. Other than that, dude, this is a badass frame. These are 0.6 inches thick. And that's all molded underneath there. These look like ass. I think some idiot fucking welded that. But damn, that's an inch thick, bro. Rear end. Brand new, been sitting. Yeah, these arms are gonna not work. Well, maybe. Damn, these are probably too small. And I got a regular adjustables, I think. For the uppers, I don't know if any of this is gonna work. Looks like the belly is cooked. Definitely gotta repaint it though. This ain't even got no paint on it at all. Just straight up Bondo. Just flaked off. Crazy. This one's better, but oh well. Chain mounts, that's cool, but my rear end has hopping mounts.